Kissing is one of the most intimate and universal expressions of love and affection. It's a simple act that can convey a range of emotions, from a romantic gesture to a friendly greeting. But have you ever stopped to think about the significance of kissing in our relationships? For many of us, kissing plays a crucial role in building and maintaining a connection with our partner. For a lot of people, kissing can be a daunting experience, especially if you're feeling nervous or unsure. You might worry about having bad breath, or not knowing how to kiss properly, or even fearing rejection. I've been there too. My heart racing, my palms sweating, just thinking about the possibility of a kiss. These anxieties can hold us back from fully experiencing the joy of kissing. Another challenge people face is the lack of confidence. Maybe you've had negative experiences in the past, or you've been too shy to make a move. Whatever the reason, it's essential to remember that kissing is a natural and normal part of any relationship. So, how can we overcome these challenges and make kissing a more enjoyable and memorable experience? One way is to start being present in a moment. Focus on your partner and let go of any distractions or worries. Communication is also key. Talk to your partner about what you like and don't like, and be open to feedback. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. There are many types of kisses, each with its own unique meaning and significance. There's the gentle, sweet kiss on the cheek, the passionate and intense French kiss, and even the playful and flirtatious smooch. Each type of kiss can evoke different emotions and create distinct memories. When it comes to making the experience more enjoyable, it's all about being spontaneous and creative. Try new things, like kissing in different locations or at unexpected times. You can also experiment with different techniques, like using your hands or exploring new sensations. The possibilities are endless. But kissing isn't just about pleasure. It also has some surprising benefits. For one, it can reduce stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones. Kissing can also boost your immune system by increasing the levels of immunoglobulin A, an antibody that helps fight off infections. And let's not forget the emotional benefits that kissing can create. A sense of closeness and connection with your partner. In addition to these physical benefits, kissing can also have a profound impact on our emotional well-being. It can make us feel seen, heard, and loved, which is essential for our mental health. By incorporating kissing into our relationships, we can experience a deeper sense of intimacy and connection. So, what are some of the most surprising benefits of kissing? For one, it can actually help you live longer. Studies have shown that people who kiss regularly tend to have lower blood pressure and a healthier lifestyle. Kissing can also improve your self-esteem and make you feel more confident in your relationships. In conclusion, kissing plays a vital role in building and maintaining relationships. It's a simple yet powerful act that can bring us closer to our partners and create lasting memories. By being more mindful, spontaneous, and creative, we can make kissing a more enjoyable and fulfilling experience. If you've had a memorable kissing experience, share it with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and learn more about your favorite kissing moments. And if you're looking for more tips on building strong relationships, check out my other video on relationship advice. I think you'll find it really helpful.